loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can come back and we can be friends. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, how are you? How you been? Thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I installed this red unit. It's not a brand new wig, so this is kind of like how I reinstall my wigs already. So a little bit of details on this wig. I got it as a blonde wig from Amazon. I want to say maybe like 3-4 years ago. This was my first watercolor method wig that I made. So I got it fully made from Amazon, and then I just kind of watercolored it with some Adore dye or whatever. And I kind of like the color, and I never really wore it like that. I've literally only worn it like once in my entire life. So I just decided, why not bring it back to life and revive it and just see how it looks. I think I did a pretty good job, you guys. Look at her. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know, y'all tell me, you guys tell me. Without any further ado, you guys, let's get right into the video of the installation. I hope you guys enjoy. So this is the wig we're gonna be styling today. I customized this wig a long time ago. This was like the first colored wig that I did. I don't know why I put quotes around that, but this was the first colored wig that I did by myself. I used the watercolor method. It is a frontal, and I colored it red. So to start off, I'm gonna just moisturize my hair, and then we're gonna be doing the bowl cut method. Alright, you guys, now that my hair is nice and moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig cap. It's in like a brownish nude color. I'm just gonna spray a thin layer on my hairline of the Got to Be Free spray, Got to Be Glue free spray, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it so that I make sure it's completely dry, you guys. So now that I've made it look as scalpy as possible, I'm gonna take the wig and then I'm just gonna dab the foundation onto the inside of the lace, just so it can just be easier to blend when I'm applying the wig. I put this on. This is basically a wig band. It just makes sure that my wig is extra secure and extra tight. This is basically what I'm working with. This is what it's looking like without being touched. Obviously we're looking a little crazy, but we're just gonna transform this. Now I'm just gonna pull. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. I haven't worn this wig in so long. Okay, first things first, we just gotta clean the perimeter of our hair, my hairline. I use the hydrogen peroxide wipes. Some people use the liquid and they just put on a cotton swab. I just feel like this is so much easier, so why stress myself, you know, when I have the easy way out.
Your track.
Hair is clipped back. I like to work in sections, and the glue I'm going to be using is the bolt holds. Too much light. Is the bolt holds, and I'm just going to be using this old popsicle stick of a popsicle that I had earlier, and just work in sections. I'm going to start in the front and then go to the sides, one side each, so it makes it easier for me to work. And with these rolly ups, I'm just gonna flatten them out with the lace glue. So just make sure that all your hair is pushed back, nothing is in the way of anything. And I'm gonna do about 2 layers of lace glue. And when you put the lace glue, you wanna make sure that it dries clear. Don't touch it with your hands. Don't put it on with your hands, because you have oils on your hands from like touching hair products and just doing whatever else you're touching. So you want to make sure that you always use a tool, whether it be a ragtail comb, a popsicle stick. So now the second layer is dry from the front. I'm just gonna bring this up and then just carefully lay it. Okay, so my camera died, so I just had to quickly put it on the charger so that it can charge. But after I was done talking to you guys, I don't remember where I left off, but I just remembered that I cleaned up the edges, like my skin and stuff, with the hydrogen peroxide wipes, and then I just laid the lace. Is this completely on the lace? Yeah. So right now I'm just laying the lace, and I'm just gonna go to sleep and then continue tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep on it, but I'm trying to decide whether I want to straighten my hair or whether I want to bring out the beachy curls, because right now it has like a naturally like wavy texture, the hair. So I'm trying to decide whether I want to bring that out, like accentuate it, or whether I want to straighten the hair. We're gonna see tomorrow. Anyways, good night you guys, see you tomorrow. Guys, this is the end of the video. This is the finished product, obviously, of the wig. I just straightened it, obviously you guys saw that, and I just hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, I'm not a professional, I'm not a pro at this. This is just what I do, and if you want to use any of the tips and the tricks that I did, that I learned them from YouTube, I learned them from other people, but if you want to use those tips and tricks, go ahead, feel free to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'm also kind of on TikTok now, so I don't know, if you want to follow me on TikTok, you can do that too. I'll just put everything down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah.